ever have so much to do that, well, you don't know what to do first? Today's one of those days where I've got like a million things to do, and sorry this is jiggly, it's because the puppy is licking my fingers as I'm holding the computer and now she wants to be in the movie. Okay, anyway, see this stuff behind me? Oh yeah, you know what this means? This means I'm going camping this weekend, and well, I'm actually leaving in like an hour and a half, and I haven't packed my stuff yet. Why not? Because, well, writers have things to do besides writing, such as... So one thing I need to do before I can go camping is, well, see this basement? Here, I'll give you a tour. It's like ripped out. We got no walls. We got huge mess on the floor. We got, well, I have no furniture in here. I have nothing but, whoops, I think I stepped on a nail. I think I got my thick shoes on. We had a slight flooding issue because, well, it's like the days of Noah around here in the frozen tundra, only it's not coming in frozen droplets. It's coming in pouring rain. Cue the flooding in our basement. And my dog is stealing construction material. Whoopsie doodle. So yeah, I gotta get this swept up. And yeah, you know, all that stuff that was down in the basement that we had to take out of the basement because it was like stinky. Well, here it is in the garage, and can you see this disaster? I mean, seriously. Yeah. Well, buried in the depths there is our tent somewhere, so I probably should find that, or we're going to be sleeping out under the stars. And remember that garden tour I gave you earlier in the spring? Well, if I don't get some of this, can you see this? Let me see if I can do this right. See that lettuce? I have some lettuce to harvest, and way over here, back in here, can you see all this? Yeah, well, I've got cucumbers that are turning into the size of zucchinis that I really have to pick before we can leave today. Well, and then I do actually need to get this chapter edited that I wrote yesterday, and I really should write another chapter, pull together my information, and move along with that little project because, well, I was hoping to have it done by the end of July, and it's halfway through July. Actually, it's a little past that. So I have a bit of writing to do today. But there's one thing I want to make sure that I do not forget to do today. You want to know what that is? Pick the winner, the grand prize winner for the drawing for a Gannah book from Yvonne Anderson, who I featured earlier on this week. And so I'm stirring up all these names. We had a lot of good commenters this week. And let's see who the lucky winner is, shall we? Here we go. It's going to be this one. This is the lucky winner right here. Who is it? It is, can we see this? It is Anne. It is Anne Mulligan. And you won yourself a prize. So I will email you and see which book you would like. To all the rest who entered, sorry you couldn't all win, but there honestly just aren't enough books to go around for everybody. And you know what? I'll see y'all next week on Fun Friday.